If you have ever felt like your wallet needs a CPR just like mine, well, you're not alone. Today, I'm sharing 5 underrated jobs people look down on, but they are quite a gold mine. These are not your regular start a business with $0 idea. These are real, practical, and people need it kind of job. So if you are watching this video now and you need a job, then you better grab a seat because this might just be the video that will change things around for you. I think it's safe to say welcome back to my amazing viewers. Thank you for always supporting. If you have not subscribed, please do so and let's get started. We live in a world where tech jobs sound sexy and side hustles has to be online. But what if I told you the answers are sometimes in your neighborhood? If you said, yes. These jobs are ignored because people think they are low paying, stressful, or they lack prestige. But the truth is, when you position them right, they pay consistently. What I also love about them is that they have low startup costs and every community actually needs them. Let me start by telling you the first one. The house cleaning job. It's not glamorous, but let me tell you, the money there is sparkling. So let's take, for instance, you're living in Ontario, which is already crowded, and everyone is busy going around with their day to day job, never having time to clean up their house. You can actually charge between $100 to $150 per house and do 2 houses a day, 5 days a week, and do the mathematics. That is 4,000 to $6,000 a month. Can you imagine that? Just cleaning houses. If you want to know how to start, just create a simple flyer or a post on Facebook Marketplace. Offer a first time discount or free 1 hour trial. Get reviews, build trust, register on sites like TaskRabbit, Handy, or local home service apps. You will be shocked at how many people actually need these services, either in their home or in their offices. And before you know it, you start getting client referrals, and your clientele base will build up very fast. A lot of people actually think house cleaning is just a side hustle. But no, it's serious business. It makes steady cash flow and almost zero entry barrier. And in 2025, people will pay you to clean what they don't want to touch. It is seen as low status or too hard. Many believe it's only for big companies or commercial contracts. But no, people don't realize how desperate homeowners, Airbnb hosts, and busy professionals are for reliable cleaners. There is also different types of cleaning services that you can offer. There is standard home cleaning, such as dusting, sweeping, mopping, cleaning the bathroom and kitchens. There is deep cleaning for ovens, baseboards, windows, behind the furniture, which is like 1 to 2 times a year. There is also move in and move out cleaning, which real estate agents and landlords and tenants uses. You could even offer post renovation cleaning, construction cleaning, and Airbnb or short term rental turnover cleaning. So, you just have to decide which one you want to offer. Niche cleaning for fridge services only, or pet hair removal, eco friendly cleaning, and so on and so forth. To get started with your cleaning job right now, you just need to start with under $100, all purpose cleaner, bathroom and glass cleaner, microfiber clothes and mops, gloves, broom, dustpan, a bucket, a vacuum, or many clients provide that. A quick tip is to head over to ChatGPT and ask it what exactly you need and how to get your client fast. You can start with family and friends and offer a discount or free trial for testimonials. List it on platforms Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, Craigslist, Nextdoor, TaxRabbit, and there's so many other avenues to let people know that you're offering these services. The second job I'm going to talk about is cooking for busy families or elderlies. Yes, I might be a tech queen, but cooking, I leave that for home cooked meal. But did you know that cooking for others is a big money maker? Can you imagine? Meal preparation for 3 clients a week at $150 per client. That is $1,800 a month on weekends alone. If I caught your attention with the home cooking and you love to actually cook, you can now turn your hobby as a full-time job or to earn extra money into your pocket. And I'm going to tell you how to start. Start with your community. Offer meal plans for families, working moms, or senior. Start telling people that you're a home chef. You can even do weekly pickups or doorstep delivery. A lot of people assume that they need to be a professional chef before they can cook for others. They don't realize busy families, seniors, and professionals will happily pay to avoid cooking. Yes, take for instance, I do not like cooking at all. So, for the right pay, which you can, like I said, do $100 to $200 5 times a week to earn 2,000 to 4,000, a single dish catering for 10 to 15 people. You could also cook at events and you could cook at home for seniors or for people that have little kids. And from there, you can start earning income. Just pick your niche. Is it busy working moms you want to go for, or elderly care, where you can make soft meals and purees? You could also make like Afro Caribbean comfort food. You should just know that not everyone is comfortable going to the restaurant to buy food. They want home clean made food, health focused, vegetarian option, and you can offer weekly meal prep plan, you know, and you can attract them with so many offers. You can offer delivery, you can start small and build trust. You can cook for friends. And for each food or meal you make, take pictures of the dishes you make and post them on WhatsApp stories, Instagram, Facebook groups, and label your meals clearly. Use clean, sealed containers and get food handler certification. So, if you're ready to get started, just go ahead and use AI to write how to get your home cooking also started. Please note that even if you're a good cook, sometimes the menu gets boring. So let AI spice it up for you. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI to generate custom weekly menu, low carbs, vegetarian or African dishes. Write your food descriptions for flyers and get them to reply your questions. What would you like me to prepare for you next week? Create shopping lists and with low cost calculations. It's very important to draft your terms and conditions and also do allergy disclaimers. Some places where you can find your clientele is Facebook, local groups, and Busy Parent Network, where you can post your offer and let them know that this is what you do. You can also go to churches and elderly centers to let them know or share your flyer. Getting on to the third job I'd like to talk about, which is home decor and organization. This part is for abundant lifestyle. Jella Sterling 1804. Head over to a channel to learn some pro tips. So if you love rearranging spaces or making things look pretty, that's not just a talent, my dear. That is a business. Potential income, oh God. Home refresh packages cost between $300 to $1,000, depending on the size and the style of the home. Started, offer a free one-room makeover for a portfolio, and then use Canva to design the mood and the brand and how you want the setting to look like. Start with friends, churches, or family homes. Create before and after with TikTok or Reels to get noticed. You can use AI image tools to create room mockups for clients and show them before you start and after how it's going to look like. Now, Parrot Fam, I know you all see me hanging this blind and thinking, hey, she just likes things pretty. You're right, I do. But guess what? There's a whole coin behind the pretty business. If you've ever rearranged your living room for fun or caught yourself buying throw pillows for no reason, this is a hustle for you. People think you need to be an interior designer with a diploma. Trust me, you don't actually need that. A lot of others assume only wealthy clients pay for decorating. Folks don't realize how many people struggle to make their homes feel like home, and others simply don't have the eyes for it. But you do. Step 1: build your portfolio. Restyle your own space or help a friend. Like, come help me, please. You can find clients with local realtor offices, offer staging services for new listing or empty homes. You can do a Facebook marketplace, WhatsApp group, or join interior decor in any kind of group. You can start by offering flash deals. For example, one room styling is $99 this week only to get your clients in, and then make sure you take pictures. To also stand out, you can do signature style boxes, pre-designed decor kits, vases, pillow candles, and monthly room mood boards at very, very affordable prices. Do not forget to do handwritten thank you cards with setup tips and inspirational quotes when you're done so that they will keep asking you to come back. Number 4 is mobile hairstyling. Anytime I get my braids done, it's not just hair, it's therapy. If you can braid, do ponytails, wigs, or cornrows, you've just got a hustle in your hands. Being an hairstylist can make you $50 to $200, depending on the style and complexity. And you can do 4 heads in a week to make $800 easily. Isn't that cool? I know of a lot of friends that have been doing this side hustle for years and it's been saving generations. You see, making hair, braiding, and any kind of style is not just the braids, it's a blessing with a price tag. So if you know how to twist, weave, or lay a good ponytail, you don't need a salon. You already have a business right here on your porch. Now, people think you need a physical salon to get started. Some are afraid to charge what they are worth. Others assume only licensed stylists get clients. That's not true. Types of hairstyle that you can offer: natural hair care, which is twists, bantu knots, lock maintenance, or even protective hairstyles, which is box braids, fox locks, knotless, crochet. You can even offer bridal or occasional styling for weddings, baby showers, photo shoots. You can go mobile, visit homes for moms, elders, busy clients. The options are endless. And the kind of tools and supplies you need to start just cost between $150 to $300. You get a mannequin head for practice, your comb set, your brushes, scissors, and hair products like mousse, edge control, shine spray, hair picks, and the braids themselves in bundles. You can also just add like gloves and mirrors, and a folding chair with ring lights for your mobile porch setup. You can't go wrong if you use AI to grow your hairstyling business. And here is a tip: you're not just a stylist, sis. You are a brand. Let AI help you shine. If you're wondering how to do that, head over to ChatGPT to say write a professional price list, style descriptions, and cancellation policies. And then the response, you set it up as a template and draft your hair guides for your clients. You can use tools like Canva to design stylish flyers. Finally, top it up by having a booking platform using Google Forms. Set up a free appointment system with reminders. And if you want to know where to get your clients, even without a salon, head over to Instagram and TikTok. And then you're ready and set. Always ensure that you take pictures of your completed hair do's and then you start posting videos of before and after using hashtags like braider, mobile hairstylist, hair by, you add your name and put it on your WhatsApp status, your Instagram page, and TikTok. Encourage referral bonuses, give out flyers to your regular clients, and discount for word of mouth popularity. This is a quick tip to boost your hair making income. You can add on services like hair wash and scalp treatments for like, $20 or kids weekend style deal, wig, laundry and revamp package, basic hair kit sales, and start your own line of combs, oils, wraps, hair treatments. So, jump on it, people. Do not dull yourself because people are making tons of money just by being a work at home hairstylist. Number 5 is a gem. I saved the best for the last. Babysitting or elder sitting. Yes, you heard. Don't sleep on care work. If you're a patient person and you like to nurture and you're reliable, babysitting or elder sitting is in high demand. The income you can make is about $20 an hour for 5 hours a day comes to like $2,000 a month. Just that's part time. To get started, make sure you get a CPR, which is certified. Quick courses are available online, and then you list on care.com, local Facebook groups, or community boards. Offer evening or weekend hours when parents are desperate. Also, head over to ChatGPT to create safety checklists, activity schedules, or emergency response script. When people talk about side hustles, they forget the one job that builds communities long before the apps and algorithms: babysitting. Whether it's toddlers, twins, or even tantrums, parents everywhere are searching for someone they can trust, and that trusted person could be you. Family. Not all gold glitters. Sometimes the richest jobs are the ones people ignore. Whether you are in a big city or small town, these 5 underrated jobs that I just spoke about here today can save your finances and your confidence. Don't let shame block your blessings. Why babysitting is overlooked is because people assume it's just for teenagers or high schoolers. It's seen as a temporary or just a weekend gig. Some don't realize how many busy parents need consistent, reliable care. Others even forget that elder sitting, that is watching elderly relative, is part of this same gold mine. And you can actually do add-on services that upsells, like snack prep or light meal add-on for like $10 to $20 a day. Homework help, helping the kids with their assignments is extra charge. Weekend date night bundle and flat fees can be added. Activity kit sales, pre-packed hats, crafts, and so on and so forth. So, which of this would you try first? And if you've already started one, drop your experience and comment below to inspire someone. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and remember, no hustle is too small when purpose is big. Catch you next time, Parrot Fam, and bye for now.